Hello. Welcome back to another amazing video. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through MetaTrader 4. Alright? I'm gonna give you a simple overview so you know exactly what to do. And then in the next video, I'm gonna show you exactly how to put a trade in. So let's go over MetaTrader 4. First off, what is MetaTrader 4? MetaTrader 4 is a um, MetaTrader 4 is a platform where you will be putting your trades in. Okay, this is where you're gonna put your broker information in, and it will allow you to take trades. So let's just go over the whole thing first. So on the first one, by the way, this is on a iPhone. This is an Apple device, but even in Android is very similar. Okay. So the first thing down where you see the quotes simply mean the pairs. So if you don't know what the pairs are, just like you see here in my list, this is how Forex is traded. Forex is traded with pairs. So you always have two currency that are traded at the same time, okay? So this is where you're going to find your pairs. So for example, say, hey, I want to trade Euro USD. Well, it's already in my list, all right at the top. So say for example, because you see my list is kind of small. So if I don't see these on my list, where can I find them to add them? Well, at the top here, you see that plus sign. You're going to click there, and it gives you options. Which one do you want to add? If you want to go Forex, and it literally has everything, you click the plus sign, and you will be added to this list. All right, your pair will be added to the list, and it will be there for you, so you can just click it and trade. But we're going to go to that next. Here, charts. The charts is where you gonna look at your charts. I preferably recommend that you look at the charts and learn the charts from a laptop because you'll be able to see the trend better. But this is where it's at. Where is at here on the MetaTrader 4? Okay. So very simple. Up here, when I will show you guys a little bit, right at the top, this F here is to put your indicators in, like the moving averages. Like you see, I got three of the moving averages, and I got the relative strength index. You can add them here. So what are they? If you look at my chart, I have here at the bottom these little volume, and I have the MACD. These are different indicators that helps you with your trading in your trend, your support, resistance, but we will be talking about that as we go with the training more, okay? So this is where you're going to be adding right here. If you do only have a phone right now, this is where where all the trend lines are. If you want to, draw your trend lines, and this little guy, this plus sign, it helps you put to to see the actual number on the volume. So if you see on the right hand side, the number is moving. So if you put your stop loss and take profit, you can actually see the exact number. Okay. Next, trade. This is where you're going to see your trades. So for example, say you put a trade in, all right? You put a trade in. This is where your active trades will be. Your balance, equity, margin, free margin, and we're gonna go over that more in the next video, okay? I just want to give you an overview of the MetaTrader 4. So this is where you're going to see your active trades, all right? Your active trades will appear right here. History. History where this platform will keep a log of all your trades. Win, losses, everything. Once you close that trade, it will appear on this list, all right? settings. Settings, this is where you're going to put your account at the top. Um, I have my live account and I have a demo account that I practice on. So you can do that here. I'm going to show you in another video how to put your broker information so you can get your account ready to go. But super simple on MetaTrader 4. It's a super simple platform to use. So that's all it really is to it, the overview. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to take a trade and how to place the numbers, your stop loss, your lot sizes, and all that good stuff. So with that being said, I will see you in the next video.